Album is back.
I'm ready when you are. मैं उस शो पे गई because I thought it would be the happiest day of my life. लेकिन
We still have GK. There are 5 questions. Who is the president of India?
Pranab Mukherjee. Sorry.
Prithviraj Chauhan.
Sorry. All of a sudden, I wasn't a person anymore. I was just a joke. पूरी दुनिया मुझ पे ऐसे चढ़ गई जैसे अतरिया पे लोटन कबूतर. लोग आलिया भट्ट हॉट पिक्स की जगह आलिया भट्ट जोक्स गूगल करने लगे. I was really hurt by it. और तो और मेरे अपने भी पराये हो गए.
Alia Bhatt is so stupid. She thought the national animal of India is tiger shroff.
But at least I had my friends, which is most important.
Here's a good one. Alia Bhatt is so dumb. She did a Chetan Bhagat movie.
Alia Bhatt? These girls with famous surnames think they're so cool. They're the best. I'm taller than her.
They expect a girl to be hot and clever. That's ridiculous. And poor things, that's too much pressure. More importantly, don't they realize that the cleverer they get, the lesser money I will make? That's not fair. That's just not fair. And we have hot and clever heroines. They're called heroes.
But then one day, I found a place for people like me. At first, I was unsure. They promised to take me from Dolce & Gabbana to smart like Shabana.
Okay, you want to sign up?
Yeah, okay.
Cool.
International.
Ukraine.
Politics.
Assembly. Election.
Good. Editorial. Come on, editorial.
Too many big words. The hardest part was changing my diet because I love junk.
From today, you'll have this. 3 portions of newspapers in the morning. It'll give you a headache, but remember to skip page 3. A paragraph of Shobha Day makes IQ points go away. And for dinner, keep it light. Murakami. You'll feel a little pretentious at first, but don't worry, it's completely normal.
Yeah, but do I get a cheat day?
Sure. On Sundays, you can read this. Twilight.
Thank you.
जब आलिया यहाँ पहली बार आई तो उनका BMI यानी ब्रेन में IQ वो काफी कम था. It was non-existent.
She was suffering from an acute case of Darshil Safari.
Your turn. What are you doing? I paid 3 lakhs for this bag. It's Dior. I could have got it for cheaper. My friend lives in UK and I could have got a 16% VAT refund on the bag, which means I would have got for 48,000 less, which means I was 2,52,000. 2,52,000 I could have got it for. Oh no, and there was a 15% sale also in the store. So that means I could have gotten it for 2,14,000.
That's when it hit me. आलिया को आलिया के स्टाइल में सिखाना होगा. Simple. Today we're going to learn about the godfather of electromagnetic induction, man who gave us diamagnetism and the laws of electrolysis. And his name was Faraday. His name is Michael Faraday. Electromagnetic induction from Faraday. Now you're getting it. Faraday.
Here I have an iron. Here I have your favorite top. Let's do this.
Obtuse. Acute. Obtuse. Right?
Please don't burn my top, don't burn my
What cricket team is called the Proteas?
South Africa, put.
Alright, inflation.
7.31. Visible spectrum in increasing order of wavelength. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Who invented the television?
Phillips. Mr. Phillips. No.
N equals R times FP times NE times FL times FI times FC times L.
No! John Logie bed. Flies open.
Touché.
By the end, she had become Student of the Year.
Sodium is reactive. Sodium likes to party. Sodium likes to tap that sexy chloride body.
Oh, helium before neon, हो उसके नीचे आर्गन. ये सब सारी noble है gases.
lost. I won. I beat you.
वापस जा रही हैं कॉफी विद करण में?
No way, she's damn stupid.
I think she should stick with acting, man. उनसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
Karan, he's gonna kill her.
अबे मरने वाली है यार. And welcome back, Alia. Little nervous?
A tad bit, yes.
A tad bit nervous. You shouldn't be. It's your favorite round. It's the GK round. It's your first question, popular and by demand. Who is the president of India?
Dr. Pranab Mukherjee.
Doctor and all. I like that. Next question. What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Beijing. Right, correct. Moving on. Capital of Argentina.
Buenos Aires.
That is correct. When was the Battle of Plassey fought?
23rd June 1757.
Also correct. By how many goals did Liverpool win the 1987 Champions League?
Porto won in 87. Liverpool won in 77, 78, 81 and 84. And back then it was called the European Champions Clubs Cup. I think you should fire your fact checkers, by the way. Moving on.
What did you eat? ESPN for breakfast? The last question. Final question. What is the black hole information paradox? I'll repeat the question. Black, as in the sofa you're sitting on. Hole, as in something I've entered recently. Information, something that you rarely have. Paradox, as in a big word from the Oxford Dictionary. Black hole information paradox.
Screw it up. I don't think I can do this.
You got this.
Hawking's black hole information paradox results from a combination of quantum mechanics and general relativity, which suggests that all physical information could permanently disappear in the black hole, making it a non-unitary transformation of state. But if that's true, it flies right in the face of what we know about quantum physics. A recent elegant solution, however, involves the concept of stimulated emission to explain the supposed information loss.
Correct.
This is a very big moment for me. You know, I work very hard.
Proud, really proud. Proud.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Trina.
Well done. Leave.
Thank you.
Now. Go.
Dumbbell Mental Gym gave me something that I thought I'd never have. I'll be honest, because my brain feels alive and it feels large. You know, I have the confidence to believe that I can be anything. Anything. I could be an astronaut. I could be a doctor. I could be India's first ever female Prime Minister. I could just be it.
Alia, we've already had a female Prime Minister.
We've already had a female.
Indira Gandhi.
Ooh.
Indira Gandhi.
Huh?
Indira Gandhi.
Oh,
So should you subscribe to this channel?
yes.
What else should you do?
Like it, comment on it, and share it on Facebook.
Do you think you'll win a hamper?
Probably not, because I don't think we have a budget, no?
Huh? Sorry, say that again.
We don't have budget for hamper.
You don't have a budget? That never happens to me.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਗਨੇਟ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਗਨੇਟ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ